a late entry. Wait for it, wait for it. Now in there, get in the apex, get in the apex. There, now gas, gas. Open up exit, open up, open up. Always use the width of the road. Hug around this curve to the right. Don't have to brake it, keep the gas going, run wide, all the way out to that 2 kilometer board. Then give me a little bit of brakes and back on the gas, turn in. Gas, 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 open up. Good, hug around to the left here and then it'll bring you wide to the right. And braking, turn in. That's a bit early, that's fine.
Sorry.
And around, long arc, let it flow out.
I'll keep it in because he looks like he wants to get by.
It's all good. Hug the right to go left and now in. Good. And a little bit of brakes. And in, hug the right now. Hug the right. Hug the right, left. That's it. Good. And run wide and immediately back over to the left hand side. At the split in the tire, you can start braking. Braking. Late entry. Wait for it. In. Start to feed the gas. Start to straighten up. In. Gas. Don't lift. Gas, gas, gas. Run wide. Good. Very good. Keep going on the gas now. You can keep going on the gas. Do not lift over the crest. Drive in through the right. Don't lift. Gas.
Don't lift, sorry.
Run wide to the left. Keep going. After the blind rise, you can give it dab brakes, but this is now fine speed. Turn in, double right, 1 corner out of 2. Long arc. Keep going on the gas. Keep going on the gas. Keep going on the gas. 1 corner out of 2. Keep going on the gas. You're going to hug around. You're going to go on your left.
He's on the inside.
That's good. How are we doing for traffic? Yeah, we're good. Okay, hug around to the left. Keep going on the gas. Up again, hug the left. Keep going through the left. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Through the compression zone on the left. Now start running out to the right. Be very careful of going where he did. Try and always come over this crest on the right hand side. There's a bump on the left. At that hazard sign, start braking. At the 5k board, turn in.
Okay. Start again.
Hug the inside now. Feed the gas. This guy should get out of my way. Okay, go for it. And braking. Lots of brakes. Very late entry. I want you to run around the outside to start. And now start getting into the apex and gas. And open up. Good. You're going to make this left. You can keep going on the gas. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's a little early. Now straight as you can. Straight as you can between the S's. Keep going on the gas. Go up again. Okay, you're going to give me a dab of brakes next to this 95. Now load the throttle and don't lift. Do not lift. Do not lift. Run wide. And braking. Oh, wait. Wait until you're straight before you brake there.
Sorry.
No problem. Okay, so you're going to turn in, hug this curb around to the right. Slow corner coming up to the left now. You're going to run wide all the way to the Armco and then turn in. And now in. Good. And in, careful of those curbs. Gas, open up. Gas, gas, gas. Okay, go for the gas, go for the gas. Straight as you can between these S's, keep going. After the big tree, the track's going to go left. You're going to run around it and run wide to the right, ready to make a left turn. So normally you would brake here and then you would turn in here into the apex.
I'm watching. They got this guy's creeping up. That's all.
Okay, let him go through. So ordinarily at the end of these cobblestones you start braking and a late entry here in. Okay, let's go past this guy. Let's go, go, go. Okay, you can keep going on the gas. Go around the outside of it. Keep going. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. At the 8k board you're going to brake. Very late entry now. You're going to run around the outside again and get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there. And gas. Open up the exit. Okay, you can't pass on the right. Go, go, go. Follow him through. And braking. Turn in now. Gas, gas, gas. Straight as you can through the apexes. And wide to the left. Good. And braking. Triple right now. You're going to miss the first apex. You apex the second one, which is here. Okay. And now you feed the gas.
And I would be stuck in right here.
Yeah, you would be. Yeah. Go, go, go. Let's go around it. And then once you make that second apex, then you start to feed the car out. Slowest corner now, braking, turning against this curb. And
I just want to make sure in case he was going too fast.
And now hug the inside, start to feed the gas. More gas, hug the inside, run wide. Run wide, open up gas, good. Keep going in the gas, stay on the left, and now into the right, hug the curb. At the end of the red and whites, you're going to start braking. And turn in now. One corner out of 2, yeah? Okay. Run out, and let it keep coming back into the left. You're going to hug the left to go right now. You don't need to brake now. Turn in and gas, 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 gas.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, it's good.
I'm just being careful, but I'm listening, so I...
No, that's fine. So, unless you're carrying a lot of speed through that long left-hander, then you can give a dab of brakes before you make the right. Okay. Otherwise, you hug the left, turn right, gas, and then use the outside.
Copy that.
And in, gas. Is he going to go? Is he going to hold it? At the hazard sign, you normally start braking. Okay. This is Bergberg. Late entry, stay wide, stay wide. So now in.
Now in.
Ah, gas, gas, open up, gas, use the outside. Very nice. I think,
I'm not sure what he's doing.
Yeah, I'm also not sure.
So
you're
all right. I'm not worried. You know, I just wanted to drive on it, so.
You got one or two options when you have something like that. Either
let them go.
Yeah, either let them go and drive in your own space, or otherwise make a decisive pass past it. So this corner, you're normally on the right-hand side, and then you turn in and you're on the gas through here. You don't want to lift on that corner.
Okay.
Okay, let's stay on the left. Let's go past these slow cars. And then move over for the bike.
I gave the indicator for him.
Yeah, ideally indicate. And let's go. Gas, gas, gas. You don't need to brake for this corner. You go straight through this apex, straight through that apex, and straight all the way wide to the right. Then a dab of brakes. You don't really need it now. Turn in gas. And open up your exit. Long arc, wide, wide. Good. Keep going on the gas. Over to the left now. After the blind rise, it's going to go right. So you hug left to go right. And in now. Gas. Gas. Open up your exit. Good. At the curve on the left, you're going to start braking. Hug the left to go right. Yeah. So stay in a straight line. Braking. At the Yokohama, you turn in.
Sorry.
Alright, okay. Start to feed the gas. Open up your exit. Good. Always use the width of the track. Straight as you can up here. Okay, this is the carousel we're coming to. You're going to start braking now. Wait for the Yokohama and then dump in there. That's it. On the white, not the black.
On the white, not the
All four on the white. Hold the throttle like this. Now start to feed more gas. More gas. Go, go, go. Good. Straight through here. Let it flow out. Let it come back in. Let it flow out. Ordinarily, you come up against this curve, you give a dab of brakes, and now you load the throttle, load the throttle, load the throttle.
I'm giving these guys a
Alright, let them go. If you're going to let somebody pass, it's a good idea to indicate to the right. They know that you've seen them and that you're letting them go. Okay, so run wide to here. End of the red and white, you turn in.
He's coming in hot.
Alright, okay. And keep going on the gas, keep going on the gas.
Slow.
It's no problem. Run wide.
Run wide.
In a straight line, you brake. At the 151, you turn in.
Right here.
Yeah, and gas. Run wide. Hug around the left. Don't lift over the crest. Straight line braking, 154, turn in. Good, start to feed the gas, give me a little bit of brakes again. And now turn, hug the left, wait for the gas, hug left to go right, now right, and gas, gas, gas. Careful of accelerating too much on the downhills, brake in the compression, after the cobblestones turn in. Gas, 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 straighten up. Good. Start to brake.
I'm giving up.
Yeah, let it go, slow down a bit. Let it go. Okay, good. You got another two coming. This is kind of an important corner, it's unfortunate. Yeah. Ordinarily you run wide and then you hug the left to turn into the right. So you hug the left, you give a dab of brakes, and then you turn into the right and you feed the gas and you run wide.
Copy.
Okay, braking in a straight line. At the cobblestones you turn in. Now.
Right here.
That's it. Gas. Perfect. Gas, open up your exit. You've got lots of space. Good. Very good. Long exits. Over to the right. Brake in the compression zone. Quite a late entry now. Get to the apex. That's good. Start to feed the gas.
Straight.
Yeah, around here. So now there's a fence on the left. You drive around that fence wide, all the way to the fence on the right. All the way. And at the 169, you start your turn in.
Okay, 156.
At the 169 on that fence is where you make your turn in, but you stay on the gas. So keep the throttle loaded. Dab of brakes and double right. One corner out of two. Feed the gas now. Go around this guy if you can. He's slow, so don't let him ruin the next corner. Go past him. That's good. You see how he's seen you? Go, go, go. Okay, run wide to the right. Wide to the right. Now don't lift. Turn in. Do not lift. Do not lift. Do not lift. Do not lift.
Do not lift. Do not lift. Because do not want to slide it.
That's exactly right. As you go over that crest, the car goes light.
Yep.
Somebody coming around us?
Yeah, they're right there.
Alrighty, so just let him go by. Okay, and back on the gas.
We're clear behind.
Yeah, they're staying on the right, so let's go past them. So you're going to brake now, very high, very high. Wait for it, now in. Get to the right, get to the right.
There's
yeah, you clear, you clear.
Okay.
And braking, turn in now. You normally want to hug the right so you can make a late
take this correct.
Good, and then run wide, drive in a straight line, braking, and now in all the way to the black.
All the way to the black.
Yeah, and gas, open up your exit a little bit. Good, and then hug the left again.
Copy.
Keep going around, hug the left, stay on the left.
Stay on the left.
Yeah, and a little bit of brakes, and turn in gas. Gas, long arc around the outside. Long, long, all the way to that fence.
All the way to the outside.
At the 186 is where you're going to start your turn, and gas. Start to feed the gas. More gas, all the gas. Go,
all the gas.
Go. And that's a lap of the Nordschleife.
Nice.
So now once you get to this point, now you can just sort of do a medium pace.
Yeah,
let some air get through the brakes, let some air get through the car.
That was awesome.
Good.
Thank you.
Awesome, man. So yeah, keep doing what you're doing. Nice and smooth. I can see you understand sort of the line through a corner and that. Obviously, you just got to modify what you're doing for your track knowledge. If the most important thing when you go out on your own is if you're not sure about a corner, rather approach it a little bit slower. You can always add speed once you can see your apex and through your exit. It's a lot easier than trying to go too fast into a corner and then realizing that you are too fast, and then obviously your options are limited.
Yeah.
So if you're not sure about a corner, rather start a little bit slower and feed the gas as you go through it.
Okay.
So there was a few key points. I know we caught a bit.
Well, car made it back in one piece. I made it back in one piece. No damage, no harm, no foul. Super happy about that. Had a great time. Thanks for joining me on my first experience here at the Nurburg Ring. And big thanks to RSR and their instructor for taking me out. Later.